Gold prices start the week off exactly where they went out on Friday, heading lower. The two-day decline that we've seen since the highs on Friday is about 50 bucks. Today ending about $35 lower. We're hovering right around that 1900 level, trading below it for the first time today since March 29th, seeing our first settle below 1900 for the first time since March 11th, ending the day just below 1900 again, spending most of the session hovering at that level. Now, the dollar remains strong today. The Federal Reserve is anticipated to raise rates more aggressively. All that has been in the cards for quite some time. Gold prices have made a significant move, not only over the last 2 days, but over the last week are down about 100 bucks. So gold prices, gold watchers looking at something different here clearly, as we are seeing no change in the dollar, no change in Fed policy, but a significant shift in gold prices. Again, down 50 bucks over the last 2 sessions, down 100 over the last week. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, if you check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com, you'll notice that volatility has been holding steady over the last week or so, despite the price declines, and now is just starting to see a little bit of a move higher as we threaten to break out of that range, that 1900 to 2000 range that we've been trading in. If we see a significant move lower below 1900, it will be interesting to see if volatility goes higher. But for the moment, we aren't seeing any spikes higher, just a modest move higher as we end the day. Now, lastly, let's look at the positioning. What are the speculators doing? Well, prior to the Friday, Monday sell-off, we saw speculators exiting their net long positions, or starting to exit their net long positions. It will be interesting to see if in this week's report, we see the continuation of the exiting of those longs. So right now, gold speculators have been net long. They started to exit those longs prior to the sell-off. Will be interesting to see what happens when we get next week's report on Friday. So gold prices start the week off exactly where they went out on Friday, heading lower, down 50 bucks in the last 2 sessions, down $100 over the last week.